Hello to everyone. Today I'm going to show you my third project. We have a project development of a park. And it is about 28 canal. So total area is about 28 canal. So irrigation is in process. So let me show you that these are the trenches, but you shouldn't be worried about that. The depth of the trenches looks very small. The depth is very less. It's about, I think, 10 inches. The trench is about 10 inch deep, but the level of this park will go up by about 1 foot. So it will be then later on the finished level the park will go up about 1 foot. So the irrigation line will be then at about 1 foot and 10 inch down, so that will be safe. So let me show you how they prepare a tea. Solvent that we are using is Hydroseal from Canada, and this is 473 ml, and the tea that we prepare is in this position. This is 1.5 inch dia tea, and then we have a reducer, and then we have a female socket, and then we have an elbow adapter that's set on top of that tea. So let me look at this one. Here we have a QCV. Let me show you that one also. This is the quick coupler wall. This is female threaded 1 inch dia, and this is Aqua AC71B. This is a very good one. It's brass made. I'm using it from last 8 to 9 years, and this is a very good quick coupler wall. It will give you full pressure, no pressure losses in there, and there is no problem with their threads and such things. And this is the best one that I'm using since long. And the pipe, let me show you the pipe. This is the conduit pipe. I'm using it for the irrigation cable and for the drip tape. This is the schedule. This is class D 1.5 inch D class pipe, PS 35051, and here I have 1 inch dia pipe. You can see it. It is E class, right? So these are, and then I'm using, these are all 1 inch and 1.5 inch pipes, and the main line, I have a main line up 2 inch dia, and that is class C pipe. So my water source is already developed. I will show you that later on. Let me show you how we do the piping. Before we lay the pipe, we put some sand underneath the pipe and the trench, so that when the pipe gets vibration and vibrates with the pressure, it will not hurt by any debris inside the trench. So we prepare the bed level with sand. That sand be not very expensive. We use from Ravi river sand, and that is, I think, 25 rupees per safety, including taxes. once you will lay the pipe in this way, right? We lay this pipe all the way down. You can see where it sits, and no problem, right? No problem, because there is a sand layer and it doesn't hurt if there is any particle of stone or anything that can puncture your pipe. So if you lay the sand layer, then there will be no problem. You can lay only 1 inch or 0.5 inch layer of sand is enough for this irrigation line. Okay, once we install the pipe, then we cut the pipes at designated points. You see the flags. These flags are showing that where we have a cut-off T. So then we install the T's, and after that we lay another layer of sand on top of the pipe. Let me show you here. Here is the pipe, and there we have another sand layer. You can see here the pipe is here. Then we will lay a layer of sand on top of it, and then we will cover it with the soil, existing soil, and the remaining soil will be removed, will be taken away out. So we have a T here, a T of connection. Right, like this. And there's a 2-inch line, 1.5 inch line, sorry, that is equivalent to 50 mm almost. Not 50 exactly, it's about 40 mm almost. So, and once we cover it with sand, then we lay the soil, existing soil, on top of it. Okay, so here this area is designated for parking, but I didn't start it yet. I'm going for the trenches and digging. Those works will be done first, then I will go for the civil works. So it's done. Let me show you the quality of sand. The sand that we are using in these trenches for the safety of pipe. This is a good quality sand. You can see hardly, and you can't see any soil particle in there, but there are some debris, soil debris. But the grain size is fine. It's not coarse, it's average size. And let me show you a sample from here. Here you can see that we have some contamination of soil, right? But it's acceptable, right? There is no stones. You should be selective in this thing. There should not be any stones that are the different shapes, and actually those are let me check if there is any stone here. No, there is no stone. No, this sand is actually perfect for that job. It's economical and very clear, so it's very good for the irrigation, to be used with irrigation system. So once we will install the pipes, then we will go for the flushing. We will clean all the pipes by by energizing the pipes with the irrigation water, and once all the pipes get flushed, then we will install the sprinklers. I'm going for to gross this fork in about Feb or March, in coming February or March, and that grossing will be on sand base. Currently you can see that there we have a lot of soil on top of the ground, but I will go and clean this fork again with the blade or any heavy machinery, and then I will put about 6-inch layer of sand on top of this soil, and we will prepare it for the grossing. And this will be my sand base gross park. Before it I developed a lot of parks, but those were on top of street soil. Street soil, that is the actually silty clay type material, and that is enrich up any all nutrients and those types of things. But if I go for the sand base grossing, then I have to add those nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus and potash, and I have to feed the grass with the copper and iron and those type of things, manganese and magnesium, etc., because those are the also necessary what we called there are macronutrients and micronutrients, so both are necessary for the good quality of grass. So but I have to feed that if I go with the sand base. Okay, let me show you another sample of this sand. This is A grade sample, and we do use this sand in our construction, in concrete work, and you can see the particle size, everything. It's very crystal clear. There is no debris of soil and those type of things. It is very costly. I am purchasing this about 52 rupees Pakistan Pak rupees, and including taxes per CFT. And the sand that I showed you before it, that was 25 rupees Pak rupees, and that is also including taxes. So you can see the crystal clear color of it, and you can see the shine in it. So this is actually Chenab sand, A grade Chenab sand, and we do use in our construction works, but I don't use it in irrigation work like that I showed you before, to make the project economical. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, and I will update you again as we go for more works. Thank you for watching.